How to dispute a charge on Wells Fargo credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to dispute a charge on Wells Fargo credit card. In order to do this procedure, what you have to do is you just have to follow the steps. Now, if you have a dispute on your credit card, to initiate a dispute, you just have to contact the customer care at a toll-free number. So I'm gonna leave it on my description box below, or you could just go ahead and log into your Wells Fargo account and then access the dispute transaction through the account service in the more menu tab. And next thing what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and select the transaction that you wish to dispute. However, if you're unable to do it, so then you could also use the official link, that is open up a browser and on the web address bar type in wellsfargo.help/credit cards. That is going to take you to this following page where you can go ahead and read the articles regarding disputing your transaction. So you could go through it and accordingly perform the actions. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.